Every plumber uses 1,000 tools, but in this lesson, I'm going to show you the basic ones that I use on the everyday job. A typical plumbing company of our size usually carries about $200,000 worth of tools and equipment at one time. But for these simple tasks, all you need is this basic handbag and a few assortment of tools. For all the tools, biggest breakdown of what you'll need is start off with the tape measure. Now I know mine's not pretty, but it gets used every day, and this is plumbing. All you need is a standard 15, 25 foot tape measure, nothing fancy, nothing expensive. The most important tool that a plumber can't live without, channel locks. They're also called channel pliers. They have 100 different names. I prefer Douglas, but you can buy them in brands and ranges from $5 to $20. And I prefer that you always have two, one to tighten and one to back it up. Screwdriver. You can keep 10 in your bag, or you can buy one of these 8-to-1 or 16-to-1 screwdrivers. Does everything from a Phillips, slot, or 5/16 nut driver. A mini hack. You won't use this too often, but when you need it, you do. I prefer one where the handle tightens, keeps the blade nice and stiff, makes the job a lot easier on you. This is the most important for you, is the meter key. You'll need this to shut the water off your home. So if you ever have a problem, you need this tool. A level, again, not pretty, gets used every day, especially on sewer pipes. And this tells you which way the fault is, very important on a sewer line. Crescent wrench, again, you want two. You can buy these for as cheap as 50 cents, or you can get them as expensive as $50, depending on warranty and comfort. Tubing cutters, you'll use these only on copper pipe. These are a number 10, and brand really doesn't matter. Just get what suits you best. Latex gloves, very important in plumbing. Health is important. Latex gloves, if you're allergic to latex, you can get nitrile. And typical materials I'll keep in my bag. This is Teflon pipe dope. It's a paste, you use it, put it on all the threads, stops things from leaking. Plumber's putty. This is something that we put to seal faucets, to sinks, things like that. You won't use it too often, but when you do, you need it. You won't want a big jug, something small about this size. Flux paste for soldering copper pipe. Lead-free solder. And sand cloth, usually comes in a roll this size. When you pull it out, it'll look like this. You use that for soldering as well. And that's the most important tools that you'll need on these basic repairs. When you can, try to leave these things to licensed professionals, but if you think you can handle the task, this is how I would do it. As always, you can look us up at precision-plumbing.com or call us with any questions at 469-248-2136.